The Acoustical Testing Center is just the place for rigorous comparison tests. So we put the Connect series up against a comparable model from a leading competitor. The test setup was the same for each generator: 8 microphones at 7 meters distance in 45-degree increments around the unit. Each unit was running at 100% load. Let's listen to the Cummins Power Connect model with the Level 2 sound kit. Now here's the model from competitor X. Let's hear the Power Connect model once again. The Power Connect model with the Level 2 sound kit averaged 4 decibels quieter than the competitor at full load operation. A standard Power Connect configuration was 2 decibels quieter. The next test pits a 40 kilowatt Quiet Connect model against a comparable unit from a different competitor. Both models are rated at 38 to 40 kilowatts and were running at 100% load. First, listen to the Cummins Quiet Connect model with a Level 2 sound kit. Now, here's the competitor Y model. Let's hear the Quiet Connect model again. The Cummins Quiet Connect model with the Level 2 sound kit was a full 6 decibels quieter than the competitor at 100% load. A standard configuration Quiet Connect model was 4 decibels quieter. Hearing is believing.